Hello, if you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then we will need to download a third-party app that allows us to do so. So let's open the Play Store and then let's search for an app. Now there are multiple different apps that we can use in order to record calls. However, I'm gonna use this one over here, this call recorder Cube ACR, and I'm gonna install this one. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to properly set it up. But I'm gonna help you do that so that you can avoid some issues with this app not working. So once it is downloaded, of course, we want to open it. And by the way, of course, if there are any other apps that you wish to try, then feel free to do that. I'm gonna use this one. So once you open it, you want to tap next. Then we need to grant permissions. So let's choose while using the app, and let's allow everything. Now over here we can disable power optimization for this app, so we can tap OK to do so, and then allow. Geotagging is not needed, so we can press no thanks, and then OK, got it. If you have the information about premium, we can just tap this cross over here twice in the top left corner in order to close it. And we need to download another app or like a plugin that makes this app work properly. So let's install Helper. We should be redirected to the website of this app, and we can open the Galaxy Store. Let's open the Galaxy Store. Let's see if it works. And then let's tap install. We should be redirected to the Galaxy Store, and let's press install. You might need to get the Samsung account in order to do so. But it is pretty easy to set it up. And once the app is installed, we once again want to open it. Alright, so let's open. Now once again tap next to grant permissions. So far it looks pretty identical. And now we need to enable the app connector. So we will need to press this button to go to accessibility, and then we need to find the app. So let's enable app connector. Go to installed apps, Cube ACR app connector, and turn it on and allow. Then once again tap OK and allow, and now we can go to Cube ACR, the main app. So press open Cube ACR, and now we are in the main app. And technically that is it, but we can also tap on these three lines in the top left corner and go to recording in order to find some options. For instance, we can enable the auto start recording that allows the device to automatically start call recording, and we can improve the quality or clarity actually of the phone call, and so on and so forth. So you can go through these options in order to set it up as you wish. In addition to that, we have backup and storage, miscellaneous, and more. So now how it works. Well, if someone calls you, the app should immediately start recording a call. However, from my experience, I can tell that it usually takes 5 seconds to properly set it up to make the app work. So if the call doesn't last 5 seconds, then it will pretty much not record the call. But at this point, well, who would want to record a 5-second call? Alright, so let me actually call myself and let's see if this works. Alright, so after answering the call, we can open notifications to find out that the Cube ACR is recording. We have automatic call recording in progress now. So this means that we don't even have to enable anything in order to record calls. Of course, if you want to, you don't have to have this option enabled or make the app stop recording automatically if you don't want it, right, to record by itself. So let's actually hang up, and we can go to the app once again. So let's go to the app drawer, let's open the app, and over here we should find the list of all recorded calls. We can open the call, we can press this play button, and we can listen to the audio that was recorded. And that's pretty much it. If needed, we can press these three dots over here on the right side in order to find some more options related to the recording. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!